Welcome to TK's Follies, where everything is fun, technical, enjoyable, entertaining, and much more. Uh, in my previous update, I showed that my growth bed has leaked, so I transferred it to a bucket which is sitting behind me. There, as you can see, and I had replaced that system with an emergency made or expediently made system with a plastic bottle housing two spider plants. After the weekend, I allowed it to run for 2 days as I was going out, and I needed some way, some method to keep my fish in good condition with the nitrogenous waste removed from the system. So this system is working properly. The fish are doing fine, and they seem to be happy. And as you can see, that water is flowing perfectly, and it is running through the roots of this spider plant, and these roots are absorbing all the nitrogenous waste and cleaning the water in return. So I will soon be repairing the leaked seal of the previous grow bed, and I will be making a video about it too, and will tell you how it leaked, from where it leaked, and what I did for the repair of the system. So this was the update of this system, and I should also show that the aquarium in bucket, it is flourishing, and all the fish are happily staying in it. They are liking their environment, and as you can see, the fish moving. These are the Pakistani flag bearer, Berilius pakistanius fish, and I am proud to keep the Pakistani flag bearer with me, and all its systems are running properly. I have made some changes in the growth bed here for obvious reasons. The sprouted onion that went bad, I replaced it with this so some type of wild herb, we call it bathu, or it is also used as a herb, and I replaced that onion with this thing. This is a rooted plant. I just removed the extra leaves so that it has more ease to adjusting to this environment. And this sprouted garlic, it has grown big also. The spider plants are also doing well. They are giving off shoots. This spider plant is also doing very nicely, and this money plant, it seems to be enjoying its new environment, and it has also given out these two new leaves. And this one is also a new sprouting, and this one is also new sprouting, and so this is flourishing. This is also another bud that is coming out of it. Here is this one. This is another bud. So this system is going very well, and the system seems to be flourishing and going very nicely. I think judging by the condition of this typical growth bed and filter system, I might have to clean it a little, but at present I think I will let it allow it to work for another few days, and then I will just take it out and clean it and put plants back in it again. So these are the new updates. Thank you for watching DK's Follies. Goodbye.